Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lager beer at home. Brewing a great lager involves careful attention to detail, especially regarding temperature. We'll walk through the entire process, from selecting your ingredients to the final lagering phase. You'll learn how to achieve that crisp, clean flavor profile that makes lagers so enjoyable. Get ready to brew your own fantastic beer. To begin your lager brewing journey, gather your core ingredients: malted barley for fermentable sugars, hops for bitterness and aroma, a specific lager yeast strain, and clean water. For equipment, you'll need a large brew kettle, a fermenter, and a hydrometer to measure sugar levels. Remember, thorough sanitation of all equipment is absolutely vital to ensure a clean, great-tasting beer. The brewing process starts with mashing, where you steep your grains in hot water, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes. This converts starches into fermentable sugars. Next, sparge the grains to collect the sugary liquid, called wort. Then, boil the wort for 60 to 90 minutes, adding hops at different times for bitterness, flavor, and aroma. After boiling, cool the wort and pitch your lager yeast, fermenting at a cool 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Primary fermentation usually takes 7 to 10 days. Once fermentation is complete, the beer enters the lagering phase. This involves conditioning the beer at near freezing temperatures, around 32 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit, for several weeks to achieve its characteristic smoothness and clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.